Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced, it drives quite comfortably, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control, quad seating, navigation system, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.